Namaste. Today I am going to read Jnaneshwari along with me. I am going to read chapter 18 from OV 1396 onward. Here, Sri Krishna is telling Arjuna, after dream is over along with sleep, we remain alone. Like that, then after ignoring is gone, naturally I remain alone. Then there is nothing else different beside me alone. With my that state, that is me. With this understanding, be one only with me. Hey Arjuna, without considering oneself separate from me, to know my one state, that is called as surrendering me. So, on destroying earthen pot, the sky, enter in the sky. Like that, surrender me, unifying with me. Hey Arjuna, the bead of gold surrenders to the gold, or the wave surrenders to the water. Like that, you surrender me. Hey Arjuna, the fire in the ocean surrenders to the ocean, but doesn't it burn ocean, meaning it stays separate? Like that, stop talking of surrendering me when you stay away from me. One should surrender me and still talk of living a life. I strongly disdain this. How intellect doesn't get ashamed to talk of this? Hey Arjuna, when ordinary king accepts a maid servant as a wife, she becomes equal to him, though she is slave woman. Then I, who is the master of universe, he meets and the bondage of life is not gone. Don't let these impure words come to your ears. So, becoming me to serve me, this is my natural devotion. Do that which will bring this in your hand with this knowledge. The butter remove from the curd. When again it added to the buttermilk, whatever you may do, it would not mix. When iron is just left standing, it will rust. The same iron will turn into gold by the touch of touchstone. Rust won't touch it. Let us leave this. When the fire is produced by rubbing wood, then it can't be restricted even when covered by wood. Like that, after you surrender me, without any duality, religions or non-religious not touch me. Hey Arjuna, can sun see darkness or in awakened state? Can you see illusion of a dream? Like that, after united with me, who has many faces, is there any reason for anyone else beside me to remain there? So, in your mind, don't worry about religion or non religion. I shall be there. I shall be your merit and sins. Hey Arjuna, who faithfully surrender me. The salt, when dropped in water, it becomes water. I shall be you like that. Then, remaining separate from me, which is all inclusive sign of bondage, that sin will be destroyed by my realization. From this, Arjuna, you have automatically escaped. Know me with good understanding, so I can liberate you. Henceforth, don't have worries in the mind. Hey clever Arjun, understanding me, only surrender me. Thus said Sri Krishna, who is beautiful because of all beauties, who stays in all countries, who has vision because of all vision. Then, black and beautiful, Sri Krishna spreading his right hand, wearing a bracelet, embrace Arjun, king of all devotee, from where a speech written without getting anything along with intellect. Thus, so different for speech and the intellect to give that God used the occasion of embrace. Then One heart met other heart. The knowledge from one was put in the other. Without breaking duality, God and devotee, God made Arjuna like himself. When one lamp lights another lamp, unity of light is not broken without there are two lamps. Like that, without breaking duality, God made Arjuna one with himself. Then Arjuna had such flood of happiness. God, though powerful, was drawn in that. When one ocean meet other ocean, in spite of union, water doubles. In addition, during tide, it reaches high in the sky. Like this, and meeting of those two, they both were unable to control. Who can understand that? Moreover, God, Narayan, had filled entire universe. Thus, Sri Krishna expressed science of Gita, which is the root formula of Vedas, and the only holy place with total authority. If you ask why thinks Gita is origin of Vedas, then I shall tell its famous reasoning. In those exhalation tests of Vedas were produced, who always spoke the truth, that Sri Krishna told God with that Sri Krishna told Gita with Vajra through his mouth. I am going to stop here. Thank you very much.